Yo, what is up, you guys? It's Pancake Lover here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pocket knife. It's really easy. Okay, first you need is a flute. Second, a speaker. I used it in my other video. It's really cool. Okay, next you need an iTunes card. Don't attempt. Okay? Warning, do not attempt, okay? Okay, first thing you do is hold up. Oh god. Okay. First step you need to do to make a pocket knife is to put the iTunes card and flute together. There, we put it together. Now, you need to add the speaker. And then, when you leave it out right there for 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it turned to a pocket knife. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, do you see this? Okay, but the thing is, does it cut through paper? Let's find out. So we have a sheet of paper. And here's the pocket knife. There's the pocket knife. I can't hold it. Can't hold it. Oh god. Okay, there's the cut. It can cut. But see if I can cut all the way down. Oh my gosh. It can cut. I never seen a pocket knife like this. There. The results are good. It can cut. And it's really easy. If you just follow step by step, it can be really easy. Okay? When you follow step by step, okay. When you follow step by step, you're gonna make this. And kids, do not attempt. This is not gonna work. Process by Epic Pancake. Okay, see you guys.